Hey everyone, welcome back to Big Team Tut's channel. In today's video we are looking at another Windows 11 Insider's preview. Microsoft is now rolling out Windows 11 Build 22463,1000 for compatible devices enrolled into the dev channel of the Microsoft Windows 11 Insider program. This release represents the fourth preview from the active development branch. This update comes with Microsoft PowerToys in the Microsoft Store. It's a small update with some visual changes and lots of fixes to keep the Windows 11 OS running smooth for the users. Changes and improvements. Exciting news everyone, Microsoft PowerToys is now available in the Microsoft Store in Windows 11. Take advantage of advanced functionalities to maximize your productivity today. In case if it does not show up yet in your Microsoft Store, you can download it at the link in the video description. As a reminder, Microsoft Store now accepts Win32 applications and all the great open source projects that are part of Microsoft ecosystems. When you have a file or folder selected in File Explorer, you can now use Ctrl+Shift+C to copy the path to your clipboard. Rounded the corners of the pop-ups shown when clicking Identify Displays in Display Settings. Made some small adjustments to the contrast theme colors based on feedback, including making hyperlinks a little more distinct on hover when using the desert theme. Added an icon next to the volume slider in quick settings to help make the option for managing audio endpoints more discoverable. Updated the Windows Ease of Access folder in Start's All Apps list to now simply be called Accessibility. Added an option to Focus Assist settings so you can choose whether or not you would like Focus Assist to be automatically enabled for the first hour after a Windows feature update. Fixes. Start menu. System now shows up again as an option when right-clicking on the Start button, Win+X. Fixed an issue that was causing narrator to not be able to focus on the headers in Start sometimes with touch. Mitigated an issue where when a large number of apps were installed, the Start menu might get stuck with no app icons showing, only app name, after a DPI change. This change is also believed to help improve Start launch reliability on secondary monitors in mixed DPI scenarios. If the accessibility option Always Show Scroll Bars is enabled, switching to the All Apps list will no longer cause the scroll bar to escape the window boundaries during the transition animation. Pressing the down arrow after opening Start will now navigate into the Pinned Apps section instead of jumping to your username. Taskbar. Icons on the taskbar are properly aligned and centered again. Apps should no longer get cut off by the Show Hidden Icons button when too many apps are open. The taskbar previews text will now follow the accessibility setting to increase text size. Adjusted the notification count badge for Notification Center to fix an issue where some of the numbers weren't centered in the circle. Fixed an issue where the chat flyout wouldn't light dismiss the first time it was opened. Improved Explorer.x reliability when the taskbar spanned multiple monitors. That's it for now. See you on my next video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.